Hey, hope everyone's having a great day. Today's video is did I build muscle or maintain muscle on a plant-based diet? So for anyone new to my channel, I've been eating plant-based for about 13 years and I enjoy calisthenics. And the answer to the question is really both because before I was plant-based, I also worked out and I did have some muscle in my body. But some things to keep in mind is that our cells are always getting recycled, right? We're always getting new cells. So the physique I have now is really completely built from a plant-based diet. And in fact, before I changed my diet 13 years ago, I did weigh about 20 pounds more, but it wasn't 20 pounds of muscle. It was puffiness and inflammation. So I've just gotten in better shape, feel better, and am more fit at 46 than I was when I was in my early 30s. So yeah, I mean, there's people out there. A good example would be Ted Carr. He was completely, he was into doing triathlons and he wasn't doing any strength training. And then he's plant based. He's like a fruitarian. He's like a fruit based guy, and he switched over. He just changed his workouts. Instead of training for triathlons, he started doing strength training, and he built a really real nice physique, lots of muscle. So it's not really so much about the diet; it's more about how you train. Right? If you're doing strength training, you're going to be able to build muscle. Obviously to a certain extent, and people that eat a certain way, maybe with more protein or higher calories, they're going to be able to get maybe even bigger and even more muscle. But I'm not really into that. I'm more about longevity and health, so that's why I actually eat like a lower protein diet. And I'm going to show you what I ate on this day just so you have a good idea of the type of diet I eat. And here it is. So I started off with a smoothie at 1 p.m. and I used 3 medjool dates. I had 1 cup of frozen blueberries. I had about a tablespoon of peanut butter. I had some cinnamon, and I had 5 frozen ripe bananas. Now, the way I do my bananas in my smoothie generally is I freeze them with the peel on, and then I thaw them in hot water for about 4 minutes, and they come right out, and it has a real good consistency. And then I added in a cup of coconut water and a cup of almond milk. So this is a great smoothie combination here. I've been making some variations of this one lately. Try this one out. Let me know what you think about that. And again, this was at 1 p.m. And I do practice intermittent fasting as well. So I generally fast for about 18 hours a day. And after this, next up, it was about 3 p.m. and I made some oatmeal. It was about a serving and a half of oats. I had about a quarter cup of dried tart sweetened cherries, about a quarter cup of raw pecans. I threw in some blueberries and I sliced up this half an apple. And then I ended up putting a little bit of almond milk on top as well. So there it is, really good oatmeal. Try that one out. Good combination there. And then for dinner at around 6 p.m., I had started out, I was on the go. So I sliced up some cucumbers and celery to start out. And then just after that, I had a sumo citrus that I had brought with me. And I'd stopped off at a Mexican food restaurant and got a veggie burrito. It had rice, beans, and vegetables. And then I had a little bit of dark chocolate chips for dessert. So that was it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out my plant-based recipe ebook I have in the comments and in the description box with some great recipes that I enjoy. Make sure to give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Leave me a comment. Subscribe for more videos. Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.